The mixer on the VersaMax has 6 grease points that will need to be greased daily. Mixer mount pivot under the flap is a grease point. Also on the other side is another grease point on the pivot stand. Located below, there's a pillow block bearing and the drum seals. These will need to be greased daily as well. You have 2 grease points, being the pillow block bearing and the seals. On the other side of the mixer are the exact same grease points, the pillow block bearing and the mixer shaft seals. The VersaMax is equipped with a grease point in the axle. Under this dust cover, 2 pumps monthly should be sufficient enough grease for the axle bearings. Over-greasing the axle bearings will cause failure to the brake shoes and failure to the seals. Also, it is very important to use a wheel bearing high temperature grease in the axles.